Experience the new StrainScope Pharma tester. The design of the new StrainScope generation builds on its predecessor, but sets new accents in form and function. Like all StrainScopes, the Pharma tester is designed for reliability and durability. The fully integrated sample holder can be used universally for a variety of pharmaceutical primary packaging. The mechanism can be adapted to the sample length within seconds. The spring plate and cone facilitate correct alignment. The automatic rotation ensures that the entire sample surface is measured. The objective measurement results are displayed in real time on the computer screen. Measurements can be saved in the integrated archive. This ensures complete documentation and traceability of all results. Ensure consistently high product quality through objective testing close to production. Reduce costs and risks by minimizing customer complaints. Please visit our website for more information.